Hello, I noticed your company. There is a blue ocean and I know how to access it for online engagements. Do you need a multi-touch channel approach to engage, grow, and expand the reach of your business beyond the desktop and engage with your social media and online network? The solution is at hand. It is something that I can deliver. Consider a rewards program that offers rewards to your Facebook followers who post a marketing link on their Facebook page. The exchange is for gifts and rewards to complete tasks that will boost your social media goals. This exchange for value will bring you engagements, leads, and sales. This works because your followers have authority over their followers. They post your ad link on their Facebook page to start receiving rewards points. Others can now see your business and opt in for the rewards program. More engagements and tasks offer additional rewards points. These include visiting your other social media, website, and landing pages. Your rewards come with the achievement of a rewards level. This also works because of psychological marketing and the human nature of reciprocity. They are happy with the exchange of gifts for posting the marketing link and visiting your web assets. I am ready to help you to accomplish your goals and build your online community on your social media channels. Welcome to the Blue Ocean. Message me and get in touch to know more.